Today we're going to talk about the present progressive tense. The present progressive is used to talk about what is happening right now. So it's not just the regular present tense, but rather specifically talking about right now. Yo estoy hablando means I am talking, and it refers to right now. Ustedes están escuchando means you all are listening. To form the present progressive tense, you're going to use a form of the verb estar with the present participle. Now, your Spanish 1 teacher probably taught you that we do not use helping verbs in Spanish, and this is still true. The second verb, the action verb, is actually turned into a participle. Yo estoy hablando, yo is the subject, estoy is the conjugated verb, and hablando is the ing form in English. Ustedes is the verb in this sentence. Están is the form of estar. Escuchando is the present participle, which again in English translates to the ing form. Let's first review the forms of estar. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. Notice that 4 of those forms have accent marks on the A. Please don't forget to use them. To form the present participle of a verb, you're going to first find the stem, which means take off the AR, the ER, or the IR of the infinitive. And then you're going to add ondo if you took off AR. You're going to use yendo if you took off ER or IR. So cantar would become cantando, and comer would become comiendo. When the stem of an ER or IR verb ends with a vowel, and again, this is only the ER or an IR verb, and the stem has to end with a vowel. To form the present participle, you're going to take the I of yendo and change it to a Y. So for example, leer, the stem is LE, lay, and you're going to change it to leyendo instead of leyendo. There are a few verbs that have a spelling change in the present participle form. These are all IR verbs that are stem changers in the present tense. Dormir becomes durmiendo. Pedir becomes pidiendo. And servir becomes sirviendo. The verbs venir and ir are not usually used in the present progressive. You can use them in the present progressive. It's just usually not necessary. Okay, get out some paper and try to write these sentences. Use Carlos, and then pasar la aspiradora is going to go into the present progressive form. So don't forget, you're going to use a form of estar to match Carlos, and then you're going to use pasar in the present progressive form, and then follow it by pasar la aspiradora. You're going to pause after each slide has changed, write down your answer, and then check it. Carlos está pasando la aspiradora is the answer. Mis hermanos y yo estamos cantando chistes. Don't forget to pause the video, try it on paper, and then restart the video for the answer. Yo estoy lavando los platos. This one you're going to have to finish because I only gave you the verb. So you need to find the vocab word for window to finish your sentence. Susana está abriendo la ventana. Mi hermanito está barriendo el piso. El gato está viendo el niño. Nosotros estamos leyendo. Remember, leer is an irregular because it's an ER verb that the stem ends with a vowel. El perro está durmiendo. Again, this is an irregular, it has a spelling change. Felipe está sacando la basura. María está sacudiendo los muebles.